we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell there to know when uploading new ones. And yeah, and we're gonna check out the gel pens and the coloring book. Yeah, that's all we're gonna really be doing for this part. So yeah, I'm gonna test them out. They're so bright. Yeah, sorry, it may be blurry. It's okay, hold on. Okay, next. Okay, and here. And over here. Now testing out this color. The blue color here. The pink one's probably the brightest one over here. Okay, and since I tested out, now we're gonna look at the coloring book. They're cute. Puppies. There's some activities in here too. There's more right here, and here is another activity. There's more you need to do. Well, activity that we just asked. So, okay, let's check out the end. This book. This is the end. And yeah. That's all it for today, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.